How to earn money online without investment, complete guide for beginners. In today's digital world, earning money online without investment is no longer a dream. Millions of people around the world are generating income using just a smartphone, internet connection, and skills they already have. Whether you are a student, housewife, teacher, or job holder looking for extra income, the internet offers unlimited opportunities without spending a single rupee. In this video, we will discuss real, practical, and proven ways to earn money online without any investment. These methods are safe, legal, and suitable for beginners. So watch this video till the end because one idea can change your financial future. 1. Freelancing, sell your skills online. Freelancing is one of the most popular and trusted ways to earn money online without investment. If you have any skill, you can sell it online and get paid. Popular freelancing skills. * content writing. * graphic designing. * video editing. * web development. * data entry. * translation. * digital marketing. * social media management. Freelancing platforms. * Fiverr. * Upwork. * freelancer. * people per hour. You only need to create a free account, make a professional profile, and start applying for jobs. In the beginning, you may earn a little, but with consistency and good work, your income can increase rapidly. Freelancing is best for those who want long-term and stable online income. 2. YouTube automation, without making videos yourself. YouTube is one of the biggest money-making platforms, and you don't even need to show your face or record videos. How it works. * find a niche, motivation, facts, quotes, Islamic stories, tech tips. * use free stock videos and images. * write scripts or use AI tools. * add voice using text-to-speech tools. * upload videos consistently. You earn money from YouTube ads. Sponsorships. Affiliate links. This method requires time and patience. Writing, earn with words. If you can write simple English or Urdu, content writing is a powerful income source. You can write blog posts, website content, product descriptions, social media captions, scripts for YouTube. You can start content writing on Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, direct clients. With experience, content writers can earn very high income. No investment is required, only writing skills and practice. 4. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have knowledge of any subject, you can teach online and earn money. What can you teach? English language. Mathematics. Science. Computer skills. Quran and Islamic studies. Spoken English. Platforms like Preply, Chegg, Cambly, YouTube, free teaching plus monetization. Online teaching is a respected and stable income method, especially for teachers and students. 5. Affiliate marketing, without investment. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning commission on each sale. How to start. Join affiliate programs, Amazon, Daraz, ClickBank. Promote products using WhatsApp status. Facebook pages. YouTube videos. Blog posts. You don't need to buy the product. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. This method works best with trust and audience building. 6. Blogging. Long-term passive income. Blogging is not quick money, but it is one of the best long-term online businesses. You can start blogging on Medium, Blogger, free, WordPress.com, Write articles on *education, *technology, *health, *Islam, *online earning, *motivation. You earn money through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts. With patience and consistency, blogging can become a full-time income source. Businesses need people to manage their social media accounts. Your job includes posting content, replying to comments, growing followers, basic designing. You can find clients on Facebook groups, Fiverr, Instagram DMs. This work does not require investment, only time and creativity. 8. Online surveys and microtasks. Some websites pay users for filling surveys, watching ads, testing apps, small tasks. Examples: Swagbucks, Timebucks, Y-Cents. This is not high income, but useful for beginners and students. 9. Selling digital products, free creation. You can create digital products using free tools. Examples: ebooks, PDFs, notes, worksheets, Canva templates. Sell them on Gumroad, WhatsApp, Facebook groups. Once created, digital products can be sold again and again without extra effort. 10. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps businesses remotely. Tasks include *email management, *scheduling, *data entry, research work. You can earn good income as a virtual assistant by offering services on freelancing platforms. Common mistakes to avoid: expecting overnight success, falling for online scams, giving up too early, not learning new skills, lack of consistency. Online earning is real, but it requires patience, hard work, and learning. Final advice for beginners: start with one method, learn properly, and stay consistent. Don't jump from one thing to another. Improve your skills daily and trust the process. Remember, online income is not luck, it is skill-based. Conclusion: earning money online without investment is 100% possible if you are serious. The internet gives equal opportunities to everyone. Choose the method that matches your skills and start today. Thanks for watching.